Okay, so for number 1, it says -5 minus 7. So these red chips here are negative chips and the blue ones here are positive. So I started off with the -5, and then in order to subtract the 7, you have to have the 0 pair, or else it will change the whole equation. So I added 7 of the 0 pairs here, and then since it's the -7, you want to take away the positive chips, so those are gone, and then you are left with 12 red chips, which are negative, so the answer is -12. For number 2, so it's a division problem. The first number right here, this is equal to the total, and then the second number is the amount in each group. So with the total, I drew out the model that is 2 and 2/5, and then the amount in each group is 1/2. So I divided this, I drew the line to make this 1/2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole number is, there's 4 groups, and then with these, to make it easier, I moved these two, since there's the line right here, I moved these two up so I can see it more, so it's more clear that there are 4, and then there's 1 left, so it's 4 out of 5. So the answer is 4 and 4/5. For the third one, he needs 1.5 cups of flour, but he only has 2/3 of that amount, which is a multiplication problem due to the word of. So I drew out what he needs. So he needs the 2 and 1/2, but he only has 2/3 of that. So you have to I made this into each group into 6 because the common denominator. So then I split them into the thirds. So he only has these 2 because he only has 2/3 of that. So to see the answer more clear, I moved these 2 into these empty squares because those weren't there before. So I moved these there. So then this equals 1 full cup, and then he has 4/6 left, but that reduces to 2/3. So the answer is 1 and 2/3.